I'm Mark Sudon, a textile application specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today what I want to show you how to do is a little bit of a patriotic, blingy theme to your 4th of July prints that you may be doing. We're going to focus and use some holographic stars by Amagic foil on top of a red, white, and blue American flag GSG design. Our first screen is going to be our underbase, which is going to be Wilflex Epic Sprint White, printed through a 156 mesh with a 69 to 60 durometer squeegee. Then we're going to go ahead, we're going to flash this with our M&R Red Chili D for 4 seconds at 265 degrees. Our next color is going to be Wilflex Epic Bright Red, printed through a 230 mesh with a 70 durometer squeegee. We're going to do 2 strokes so the red is really nice and bright. Then our third color is going to be Wilflex Epic Light Royal Blue. Again, 230 mesh and printed with a 70 durometer squeegee. Our last screen, our final color, is going to be International Coatings Crystalina Shimmer. We're going to use a 65 durometer squeegee, and this is going to go through an 83 mesh screen. And there you have our finished shirt. We finished off at the end of the dryer with taking some of the Amagic holographic star foil, crinkling it up, lightly tapping it around the design to give our patriotic shirt just a little bit more bling to it. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.